Hey everyone, this will be a very quick tutorial here on how to put in your new Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra's bands. So I have the trail band here. This is very easy to do. So we have buttons on both sides, or top and bottom I should say. There we have this part of the band, this kind of creepy looking part, kind of looks like pinchers from a bug. So we press in our button and this mechanism will move on the inside of the watch. Make sure yours is facing the correct way. So mine has a small, medium, large. Make sure it's facing towards you or towards this sensor here. And we will press in our button, take our little pinchers and just, I'm trying to do this through the camera a bit harder, press it on in. So make sure you're pressing the button at the same time and it just goes in. To do it, to take it out, you just do the opposite. So press in button and pull on out. And again, you'll hear that snap. So press button in and then press in there. Very easy. So again, press button, push in, press button, pull out. Very easy, way nicer than the old style like I have on my 5 Pro, which were a pain in the butt to get in. Nice and easy. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think. Hope you have a good one. I'll see y'all next time.